Hey guys, so it's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys two ways on how I do a high puff slash bun style. So I'm actually going to use a regular size ponytail, not too tight but not too loose. I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail and I'm only going to tie my hair once. I'm not going to wrap it around more than once, just so that my hair is still loose inside and it gives me a fuller bun. Okay, so once my hair is inside the ponytail, I'm going to lightly, gently pull out my hair just to create a bigger puff. And I'm going to just be careful not to disturb the curl pattern. If you guys are interested in how I actually got this curl, this is a twist and curl video that I posted up recently. If you guys want to check that out, definitely check out the link in the description box. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a bobby pin and I'm going to kind of tuck in the ends a little bit, but not too much because I still want a really big poofy look, but I want to create a bun look. So sometimes I just kind of leave my hair all out like this in a high puff, but if I want to create a bun, I will tuck in the ends a little bit with bobby pins. So I'm going to go around my whole entire head and I'll show you how I do that right now. If I want my bun to be more tamed, I guess you can call it, then I go ahead and I'll add more bobby pins in the middle just to kind of keep everything intact. And yeah, I'll just basically just stop until I like the way it looks. So this is what the end result looks like. It's very simple, very easy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my bun a different way. Okay, so for my second way of doing a high bun slash high puff look is using a shoelace. And the reason why I'm using a shoelace is because I can never find those really stretchy headbands that everyone else uses to fit my head. I have a really small head and all those headbands are just way too big. And if I loop it around twice, it's too small. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use a shoestring. So I go ahead and I basically just put it around my head and slowly slide it up at the back and then squeeze it at the front until I achieve a high puff look. I usually don't leave out bangs when I'm using a shoestring just because it's a bit harder to achieve, but I don't even know why I was trying to attempt this. This took a bit longer than usual, but if you're not using bangs, it definitely is a lot easier. So once I have that desired look, I'll just go ahead and I'll tie the shoestring in the back, and then I'll go ahead and I'll tuck in the ends with a bobby pin to create a bun. I also wanted to show you a picture of how it looks like when I use a shoestring to create a bun and a high puff look without leaving out bangs. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.